Hi, it's me.
So this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next year. Bye and happy holidays. Be safe. Kitchen. In the kitchen we have our lovely potos. Heart on thread, but this one is a very good one. It's pretty. And more variegation. And here we have Epipremnum pinnatum something. It looks like mini monstera. Oh, wait. Trying to avoid the sound, but not really. Oh, isn't this beautiful? And we have... This one is Potos Happy Leaf. It's very... in texture similar to normal potos, and definitely not like Enjoy. So, and then we have Hoya over here, and even more Hoya here, and down here we have let me take my orchid down, all the air plants, and some Hoya. Okay, very good. And this is my future project. It's a ficus. It's gonna be a bonsai tree, and we have some ghost orchid, Ripsalis. I call it spaghetti, but it's called Ripsalis Punseo discus. Is it discus? Discable. And my Hoya linearis, very long and beautiful, even though I chopped it off to here, and it grew again. And look at my Vanda. I actually half planted my Vanda in pumice and cocoa chips. But yeah, and look, my Vanda is reblooming. I never thought I could make a Vanda bloom, but it happened. This is the old spike, and I bought this one for half off at the center. And my new hippastrums. This one is a new one. It's a kind of, I don't know, white with a red rim or pink rim. We will see what this will be. And this one, Hippastrum Bogota. It's a special one. It's kind of different. But let's go out and about on a balcony a little bit. Oh, it's really nice and hot today on the balcony. So, starting from the right, from the kitchen, we have my Natasha, Ficus Natasha. This one I got from work 2 years ago, and it has been on this balcony. And I wanted to lower the branches to grow, lower the trunk so I can leave the trunk, chop this one off. But it's actually, I don't know, it's so quirky. I like it. Yeah. Old man, what is it? Pelargonium, I think. And it's growing nice. I think maybe needs some water. Or maybe not. No, it doesn't need water. We have some more cactus over here. Booby cactus. And my Ficus lyrata, it doesn't mind being outside for now. It's still 10 degrees, and we have more on the shelf. Future projects. This one is growing very nice now. aeoniums. We have another aeonium over here. It's growing pretty nice. My future bonsai tree, deciduous tree, so now it's resting. Mr. Grusani, another beautiful crassula. I think this one is, you know, what kind of, if you know the name, let me know. I think this is something to do with the ears, Shrek ears or something. And sunset. This is crassula sunset. Oh, this one is nice, thick and beautiful. And this one is my friend's. He have it here for resting period. We have some euphorbia, snow white, snow something, and it's flowering right now. It's actually only 1 year plant, but I don't know, it's working. And this salad was a gift from my friend. It was in beautiful bloom. Right now everything is kind of liking it. This is the Juveria subsilis. Everything is growing for now. Cactus, opuntias, crassulas, jungle cactus, and this is my chili. And I overwintered my chili last year and it did work, and so I'm trying overwinter this year too. But look, already has a new, I don't know. Oh, this is so strange. This is the old one. I keep it for mostly for seeds, just in case, because this was a precious gift, seeds from my friend from New York. Her name is Michi, and now we have a friend supposed to fly around. Oh well, let it be over there. And we have beautiful Christmas cactus, and I cannot, it's so beautiful. I just speechless. Oh, it's so many blooms. I'm very in love. And we have newcomer. It's a Strelitzia Nicolai, and this is Strelitzia reginae. And I think that this beauty will flower for me this year, because this is not looking like a leaf. It's too thick. Normally they don't grow like that. So I am very excited. And we have the aloe. Too much light. It's beautiful flowers. I got this aloe from my boyfriend, and it did flower last year, and it flowers this year. So I'm very happy. And here we have strings, hearts on the string. Another one, but this is the normal one. And and this is the Cactus HOTEL. As you can see it, this is all my friends' cacti. Beside this Zelkova and this one bonsais. These are mine, and I love them so much. And here are my other cacti on the shelf. Oh, look at these beauties. I was so worried that I could not make them grow again, but look at this, I can. They are so pretty. What we have here, and here we have some euphorbias, and I have and this is euphorbia Oh, I cannot even pronounce it. I will not try it either. But look at this beauty. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see the beautiful pictures of this beautiful flower. Let me see in the sun. Oh, it's so pretty. So you can follow me on Instagram. It's collection of unseen nature on Instagram as it is here. So I'm hoping for all these cactuses to bloom. I'm really excited. So this is the balcony for this year, and as you can see, the Cactus Hotel is here. And look at this unusual pretty baby I got from my friend. So nice, so pretty. And I got a baby penis cactus. And what more? I did an experiment on one of the cacti. Where is it? It's so many right now, so I don't even. It's over here. I've got this one from Lini, and it was really, really tiny. Let me put the other cactus down over here. And when I got it from Lini, it was like over here, and it was very narrow. But I've heard that if you put it in a bigger pot with lots of moisture during the summer, when it's really, really hot, it grows like crazy. It really does. Look, it's like quadruple its size. It's totally crazy, amazing, and I love it, of course. And this is my look. Oh, my bonsai. I just put it in, and it grows in a cat sand and pumice, so it's nice. Oh look, this is one I got from Olga. Hey Olga, how are you doing? So I'm very, very excited for next year to see all my cacti flower again. I was very pleasantly surprised last year how it all grew beautifully. Oh well, guys. So since we're going through all beautiful balcony, so I was thinking we can take a look on my living room. So not many changes. Spider plants, my philodendron or tapitopilum, or whatever what the new name is. And we have a lovely gift. This is a beautiful Dracaena succulosa. That's normal, they lose the leaf when they move. So we have two, but look at this beauty. Isn't she beautiful? Amazing. And moving on to the side, we have a driftwood with orchids mounted on it, with a little bit of water for a little bit more. The old orchid, I got it to bloom again. And we have some aglaonemas. One here. This is the new one. And we have the old aglaonema. And we have my pilea. The huge baby pilea. I love how cricket the stem is. Kind of nice. And this is the new, the old Dracaena succulosa with the dark spots, and look at the new growth. Oh, this is so pretty, so satisfying, so glossy, so untouched. And my philodendron supastatum. It has really nice red colors under. grows slow for me because it's winter now, but you can see the new growth here. Also you can see this, you know, the sugars. Oh, yummy. And we have my ZZ Black, and ZZ Black is getting new growth, and the growth is always very, very light green. And then we have some old leaf here on our beautiful aspidistra. And this aspidistra is so huge. Oh, she's so huge, she's so huge. And I found out that for me, the best way of watering is to have a bottle of water, you know. And when it's empty, I just fill it up, and it has, you know, it's drinking itself. So that's perfection. And also, oh yeah, we have another beauty here. Let me adjust here to the light. So maybe this is a very beautiful epipremnum. I don't know, kind of greenish, silverish, very pretty. And we have my philodendron micans or micans. I don't know if you can see. Let me put a little bit more light. It's really amazing. It's so like sameth. Oh, silky. And it's very soft. It has beautiful color. I can see different colors of leaves. So this is it for my living room and update. Maybe I can, because I have some light in my office, and I was thinking that it could be bad to film backlight, but I have some light here too, so I will switch the cameras and I will show you the office. So light did not help a lot, but you can see this is the Rhipsalis paradoxa with the huge chains. Oh, now you can see better. And behind we have Rhipsalis paradoxa minor. It has a smaller chain. You can see that. And we have my beautiful Aglaonema Silver Bay, I think that was. And it's growing so high. It was very nice and dense, and now look, it was like here when I got it, and it grew so much. So I like to see the canes and all the old leaves, just natural, it's falling off. And here we have my this is Monstera Peru, Monstera Peru or Monstera Carstenianum, or I don't know what this can be. Nobody knows yet, but it's very, I don't know. I'm sorry. If nobody knows what it calls, and it grows very slow, so I'm kind of thinking that it's collected. Hope we don't over collect. Watch out for spider. And here we have my baby boy. I don't know if you can spot him here. He's on the walk. Yeah. So amazing, baby. So this is the changes we made to the office. Let me show you. We got a new desk for my boyfriend, And so this is how it looks. It looks a little bit crowded now because lots of plants are living outside on the balcony, but right now they can't. So, are you awake, friend? This is Helios and he has his own Instagram. If you wanna follow him, it's Helios von Tortoise. I will put the links down below. It was here for like, I don't know, over a year. And I maybe water it once. And this is the mother plant from my Deliciosa when I cut it to have a nicer. We have Hoya here. And we have another philodendron. You can see the team Sansevieras and philodendrons, right? And whale fin Sansevieria. This is the newest leaf, huge. And this is a rescue project, Ficus. Another Sansevieria, dark dragon, I think. And Sansevieria copartone, Kukii copartone, I think. Another one, variegated, rosetti one, but it's a different variegation because we have another variegation here. And one more moonshine. And my new favorite, Sansevieria whale fin variegated. It's so amazing. Another variegated Sansevieria. Don't know the name, I'm sorry. But we have Aspidistra Milky Way. It shoots 2 new leaves, which is nice. And here we have another Sansevieria with another pattern. Let me see if I can show you. So it's kind of more greenish, solid green in the middle with the speckles. And we have Kukii silver blue with a new leaf over there. And this will be that. Your boyfriend. Hello, boyfriend.
Hello.
And here he is, still in bed. Well, I will try not to film him. We have my Monstera here. Oh, here he is again. And Philodendron Goldii, I think. This is the newest leaf over here. It's huge, really huge. And we have my cute Sansevierias over here. Moonshine Golden Flame. This one is very pretty. And I don't know if you remember my Monstera